Welcome students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the discussion part is the Woods reaction. What is Woods reaction? Alkyl halide reacting with sodium metal in presence of an inert solvent like a dry ether, or instead of this if the tetrahydrofuran is given, or instead of this dioxane is given, any one of the inert solvent, that twice the number of the carbons containing alkane is obtained one. This everyone can imagine. Why we need to take the dry ether? If what will happen if the wet ether is taken? If the wet ether is taken, Na plus H2O molecule to form NaOH with the liberation of the hydrogen gas will take place. This is an alkali that undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. Instead of formation of the alkane, it leads to the formation of the alcohol. Hence, we must need to take always dry ether only. Then, here let us take any of the example. If the CH3, CH2, Cl is given, ethyl halide is given. Ethyl halide reacting with the sodium metal, I suppose to take the solvent as a dry ether. Then what one can imagine? Here is the two carbons are there. That's what the twice the number of the carbons containing alkane is a one is a N-butane. And the second one as a byproduct, very simple or the very small extent, one is a ethane, another one is a ethylene is a formed one. These are very minute, as a byproduct very small in quantity. Now in order to explain the mechanism of the Woods reaction, there were the two mechanisms were proposed. One, the first way is that free radical mechanism, and the second one is a ionic mechanism. First of all, I am going to explain what is free radical mechanism is. Under free radical mechanism, first the sodium gets lost by the electron. As a result, Na is lost its electron to get Na plus ion plus 1 electron is came out. Then here whatever the reactant is there, that the reactant containing 1 mole, here is a 2 moles is taken. If the 1 mole will participated, by which undergoes homolytic cleavage, that is the equal breaking of the bond. As a result, what it is forming? CH3 CH2 radical as well as X minus. Then to explain from here, we have the two mechanisms under the case 1. Under the case 1 is a combination reaction. Combination reaction is very suitable to explain the product in the Woods reaction. What is the combination reaction and the combination step here is here CH3 CH2 radical is there. Another molecule is also having the same CH2 and CH3 radical. Let us imagine both the electrons are came opposite direction to each other. That means one is a clockwise, another one is a anti-clockwise is there. As a result, the major product will form at room temperature. That's what it is very suitable, room temperature itself. And case 2 is a disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation means self oxidation as well as a reduction will takes place. That is, here is a CH3 CH2 radical is combining with another CH2 and CH3 radical. Then this bond is homolytically cleaved here. As a result, a bond is formed between them. What is the formed one? CH3 CH3. And this bond is also broken homolytically. This electron establishes a new bond. As a result, CH2 double bond CH2 is a formed one. Like this, a mechanism which is proposed by the free radical can be explained. Under that, the most suitable mechanism for the Woods reaction is that by a combination reaction. The second method to express the mechanism of the reaction, the first one is a free radical mechanism and the second one is a ionic mechanism. Here 2Na, by the loss of the 2 electron, it gets 2 cation. out of the 2 electron, 1 electron is bonded with the X free radical, that is liberated as a X minus, and here is already the 1 electron is presented at the carbon atom, 1 more electron is joined, as a result the CH2 minus. Here the formed carbanion, it may act as a base as well as it may act as a nucleophile. In the case 1, which is acting as a nucleophile, nucleophilic substitution reaction, it forms the major product, a even number of symmetrical alkane. Whereas when it is acting as a base, what is the work of the base? Need to attract the proton from where it is coming easily. Here the formed carbanion accepted proton from here. As a result, the elimination reaction will take place. Hence, a small quantity of the byproduct in the form of the alkane as well as alkene is formed. Now the key points of Woods reaction, that is, everyone knows the Woods reaction uses to prepare a symmetrical even number of carbons containing alkane only. By this method, odd number of the carbon atom, especially the one number of the carbons containing alkane like methane, cannot be prepared. Symmetrical, here is a like this is there, the symmetrical which we can able to break up easily. And the reactivity of alkyl halide, here is a methyl halide, 1 degree alkyl halide, 2 degree alkyl halide. Here the tertiary alkyl halide which is not participated in the Woods reaction, here it undergoes elimination reaction. That steric hindrance, the gathering is a more. The steric hindrance is inversely proportional to the rate of the reaction in Woods. That's what methyl halide is a more reactive. If alkyl group is the same, if the halogen atom is a differ, what one can imagine? Due to the fluorine size is a small, it holds very strong bond. As a result, the R and I bond is easily breakable. Hence, alkyl iodides easily participates in Woods reaction. Then, the Woods reaction is of the two types. One is intermolecular Woods reaction. Second one is a intramolecular Woods reaction. Inter means in between two. That is monohalide. Only one halogen atom is present. It forms the simple alkane as well as the mixed alkane. But when a intramolecular Woods reaction is concerned, it containing the polyhalides, more than one halogen atoms are present. If the halogen positions are 1, 2, that is 1, 2 dihalo, it gives only unsaturated compound like double bond and triple bond. If, for example, 1, 3 or 1, 4 or 1, 5 or 1, 6 like 1, n is there, in such cases, the cycle formation will take place. Very important for objective examination. Now, variety of examples for the Woods reaction. Here the methyl iodide is given, twice the number of the carbons containing alkane, ethane. And here is the two different mixed is given. In such cases, what we need to take? One is the self, that is ethane. Another one is this is the self, C2H5, that is butane or N-butane. Another is a mixed one is a propane, very minute quantity that I am going to get. Here is a three different types is given, that all are the monohalide. That's what it is, intermolecular Woods reaction. The self product is what? First is the ethane, second one is a butane, C2H5, third one is a hexane, C3H7, fourth is a, that is C2CH3, C2H5 propane, and the next one is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and the C2H5 and C3H7, like the mixed products are obtained. Whereas here 1, 2, 3, there's a propyl chloride is given. What we need to do? 1, 2. Here is a carbon atom is present, which is making bond with another one. If the product is given like this, how can we write the retro Woods reaction? Is nothing but simply break the symmetrically. Here is also the symmetrical alkane is given. Simply write, here is a Br, like this is given is the product. In such cases, the symmetrical reactant or symmetrically the bonds are broken. Few more examples, very important examples right now. Here the cyclobutyl chloride is given. Take the two molecule like another symmetrical. 1, 2 position dihalo is given. In such cases, elimination reaction, alkene is formed. Here is also 1, 2 cyclohexene. Here is a 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 or 1, n is given. In such cases, the bicyclic compound. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given. That's what 1, 3 or 1, n. That is the cyclization will take place. Here is a 1 carbon atom bending is there. Here is 1 carbon atom bending is there. Like this, a bridge complexes will form. Here is also the except 1, 2 dihalo will take place. Hence, 2 cycles or Allis cycle are forming. Here lastly, the previously asked objective examination. The questions are, here is the given, the cyclization will take place. Here is a chlorine and bromine. We know well the reactivity order. Alkyl bromide is the bond is broken easily than compared with the alkyl chloride. Hence, a new bond is established between them. Hence, Wood's reaction is also an example for the new CC bond formation. That's what, please try to work hard, more number of examples. If you feel uncomfortable, please post that in our comment box. Thank you very much.